welcome. Here's how you can edit your outline in Decktopus AI. Let's make a presentation about comparative literature. Write your prompt, click on here. Let's create a style with AI. Decktopus is creating your blueprint right now. Yes, Decktopus has created the outline. Let's check it. Let's say you want to regenerate this slide context. So click on regenerate. As you can see, it regenerated it. So let's say you want to make another slide more expand. Click on expand. Or you can make those changes manually. Click on here. Let's say you want to delete the last sentence. Delete it and click on check mark. Voila. And you can also add other slides that are not in here. Let's say I want a thank you slide. Thank you for your time. And click on check mark. That's it. That's how you can edit the outline before generating the presentation. It's also an important part because after the presentation has been made, you can of course make edits, changes, but it's gonna cost you some credits. So I recommend you doing the edits on the outline so you will save your credits. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?